pile of incomplete projects that hopefully you will be seeing soon. But what I want to show you right now is, hey, my new nifty cell phone case. It's, nothing too expensive, nothing too fancy, and it's waterproof. That's the big thing, is I'm going to be showing you some water-based stuff, like Benchy over there. Problem is, the plastic over it does not always conform against the surface. So often there's a gap, so I have to press harder if I want to make sure that it registers. And that's kind of annoying. So my thought was, it does have a port in the bottom that you can open so you can charge it. So my thought was, what if I sucked air through that port and then closed it really quick? Of course, that's kind of tricky to do unless we print a vacuum attachment. So the idea is this can go on the vacuum. I can slide the phone down in here, generate a vacuum underneath it, pulling air out of the interior. And there is, if you can see that, there is, just a little shelf right there to push this, the plug closed while it is under vacuum. So we're going to test that out, see how that works. Okay, here we go. Vacuum going in. Alright, push it in, pull it out. Alright, close. Moment of truth. Just tap. Oh gosh. Oh, much better. Oh, that is conformal contact right there. YouTube. Yes. All right, success. Quick and easy. All right, Benchy float test number one. Let's see. Oh no!